Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Use 2 bone-in or boneless pork chops, each 1:1. 25 inches thick, so they cook evenly on the stove. Pat the chops dry and season with 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper, and 1 tsp garlic powder, pressing the rub into both sides for adhesion. Optionally, add 1 tsp dried thyme or 1 sprig of fresh rosemary for aroma. Let them sit at room temperature for 20 minutes to take the chill off and promote an even internal doneness during cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter in a heavy skillet over medium-high heat until the fat shimmers and the butter foams. Place the chops in a single layer and sear without moving for 3-5 minutes per side until a deep golden crust forms, flipping once with tongs to preserve juices. After searing, reduce heat to medium and continue cooking, moving to indirect skillet space if needed, until an instant-read thermometer registers 145 degrees F in the thickest part of the chop. When the chops hit 145 degrees F, transfer them to a cutting board and rest the pork chops 5 minutes tented with foil before slicing to redistribute juices and avoid dryness. For a quick pan sauce, return the skillet to medium, add 1 tablespoon butter and 1/4 cup pan juices or stock, scrape brown bits, and simmer 1 minute to thicken slightly. Serve with lemon wedges and chopped parsley or thyme. Slice against the grain and plate, immediately with sides like roasted vegetables or rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.